I want to become a banker. I personally choose this opinion because I am good in studies and I am really interested in all the banking works. The banking is also safe and stable, thus I prefer this as my career. For this, I have to complete my graduation properly, then I have to focus on my banking course. To develop my skills and the abilities to become a banker, I have to choose the best university in Surat so that I can achieve my goals easily. The steps. The first step is to clear the 12th standard with good marks and also that 3 years of graduation. In second year, we have to join the institution for the preparation of the banking to get a job in the government sector. In the bank, we have the two sectors, public sector and private sector. SBI Bank, Allahabad Bank, Punjab National Bank are the examples of the bank. Why I have selected this as a career? For good salary. Exactly salary is best reason to join any industry. It's true that banking industry offers good remuneration to the employees. Banks offer added benefits to the employees like minimum rate of interest on loan, medical benefits and pension benefits and so on. Job stability. Banking industry has job safety as well as job stability. Banking job is a public sector job lasts for 60 years. One who is inspiring to choose banking as a career in right direction. There is stability in job and one can get internal promoted through internal exams and through seniority. Challenging job. Banking sector is a no more limited to the traditional lending and the deposit. With the introduction of the latest techniques and the formulation in the banking industry, this sector has become the much more appealing and challenging. Today's youth demand the challenging rule, so for them banking would be the best opinion to choose. Fixed to job timing. Banking sector has a fixed working hours. It does not cause much tension and the stress as the other private job does. Due to the fixed job time, in one can get the enough spare time to spend with their near ones and their dear ones. Banking is a booming industry these days. Lot of bank opening are the public sector as well as the private sector bank. IBPS and SBI are the organization that conducted the exams for the bank on the various levels like a peon, clerk, as soon as on. No recession effect. Banks are the backbone of the country's economic, especially when it comes to the developing countries like the India. The financial condition relies on the bank completely. Some year back, during the global recession, our country was affected the least because of the soundness of the India's bank system in all the banking sector. Is it generally not affected by the recession? High regards. You get the social prestige if you are the bank employee. The job in the banking sector is treated with the high regards. Overall skill development. You will get a lot of the opportunity to enhance your knowledge as well as the skill at the bank. Most of the banks in India offer on the job training and encourage you to further your education through the varieties of the courses, seminars and the training programs. Banking have training department to train the students and help them to maximize and utilize their skills through the education program. Techniques, training, team building activities, and the social events are also organized. While working in the bank, you develop the set of the skills that are the standard across all the careers. For example, interpersonal skill, customer relation, financial management, strategic thinking, and planning, etc. Leave or holiday. Bank offer of a fair number of the holidays in the comparison to private organization. Bank has a number of holidays that you can get while working in a private organization. Bank do not care about the festivals and appropriate leaves are to be given for any festivals. In this way you will get the chance to celebrate every festival with your family and will able to maintain a good professions and the personal work life balance. Lot of other benefits and the incentives apart from the offering a good pay, grades, job in banking factors including the money incentives, benefits, allowance and the concessions. Anyone can join. Banking sector offers a job for the candidates from all the field comprising the engineering, finance, computer for marketing, technology graduates, postgraduates, and so on. These candidates from any field of the education can apply for the banking sector for job. And lastly, I want to say that career in banking sector is very brightful and cheerful. Thank you.